Hey guys, Lech here. Today, quick review of the brand new Olight OSTATION. It's basically a portable power backup, power station. It's meant for outdoors, as they say. This just came out. Literally, I got it in last night, so I figured I'll give you guys a little unboxing and show you how it looks, how it performs. Talk about the specs a little bit. It's meant to charge basically everything possible that we use now on a daily basis, cell phones, PCs, cameras, flashlights, laptops, even projectors. That's a common thing people take, out into the woods now. I've seen drones, the mini refrigerators should work, and I guess LED light bulbs, stuff like that. Here's the back shot of the box. Basically just gives you a description of what everything is. We got the AC power port, you got the DC12 USB lighter port. I'll try to find something to test with that. We got regular USB ports, you got type C, which is actually a nice plus that this has it. And then here's some specs. So it says on the box 230 WH battery capacity, which is huge. I believe, don't quote me on this, it's about 65,000 mAh if you want to compare it. And so this should give you multiple charges for all your devices at the least. It has the multiple outlets, as I mentioned. It's fast charging. This thing can be fully charged in 6 hours, which I'm assuming is pretty fast for these battery packs. I looked around, and these battery packs are about that size, all of them, and in the same price range. This is $199 on Olight right now with free shipping. And it has a stable power supply. It's a 200 watt power station, I believe it said somewhere. But anyway, I'm not gonna make you wait any longer. Let's open this up. So obviously we always start with a user manual. I'm sure first you have to charge it up to be fully topped off. So we'll look at that a little later. We got the charger here. Pretty straightforward. Looks like a typical connector. Even if you lose this one, you should be able to find something to charge it. And now, let's get this station. Move this out of the way. It's actually smaller than I thought it would be, which I guess is kind of cool. It's compact. Some of these stations can be pretty bulky. So yeah, compared to a standard iPad, about the same length. Yeah. We got a little LCD screen. So here is our lighter port. AC power. And side view. The back. Output is, DC input is 20 volt, 2 amp max. USB output is 5 volt, 6 amp, 2.4 amp max per port. So that's actually high. That's awesome. That will give you a fast charge for your phone, which we're going to try in a second. Type C is 3 amps. That's also high. No, I'm sorry, 3 amps for output. And AC output is 110 volts, 60 hertz, 200 watt. So that's, enough for some appliances. Probably a small TV. We're going to try to power one of the TVs. Here's the charger port, the back fans. So let's see if this will go on or if we have to actually... so we got about a half battery. 12 volt. Oh, this is where you activate the 12 volt. Pristine wave. USB. So you actually push the button to activate all the different modes. So what we're gonna do is plug some stuff up now basically and see if it charges it. So got an iPhone here. That's with the USB-C cable. So yep, we are charging. Good. Now we're gonna add the iPad with the regular USB. Alright, iPad's charging. That's 2 devices. Now we got this speaker, also USB. Alright, speaker's charging. Now I've got a laptop here. Let me turn this guy on. So might as well connect the laptop as well, see how much this can take, right? So do I have to turn on the AC power? Alright, the battery is charging. Let me see. So that's awesome. And I don't have anything here right now to connect the cigarette lighter. We'll do that in a second. I also have a power tool battery pack here. I'm gonna unplug the laptop and plug this in. See, that should be fine as well. It's just a battery. I gotta move these guys out of the way. So, alright, that's charging. Awesome. So, the true test this is going to be how long it holds a charge, how many devices, how long, how many times. I'll put some comments on that. I'm not going to spend hours here charging everything, showing you guys. But what I'll do is I'll test that out and I'll just put it in the comments. Another thing I want to do is try hooking up a TV to it. So we will do that next. So one quick test I noticed, if you turn these off, everything is off. So I have the iPad connected. If I turn this on, the iPad is charging. If I turn this on, if I turn this off, the LED lamp goes on and off. So it does affect it, which is kind of cool, because it gives you the control that things aren't just running when they're plugged in. It should work, but you never know, with all these new electronics. And now what we're going to try is the TV. It's an old Sony, thing's about 10 years old. Unplug the lamp. That's the cord. Plug this in. Turn it off first. Alright. Plug this upside down. Now turn this on. And moment of truth. So yeah, TV is working, guys. That's actually big time. You can get, this is I think a 32-inch TV or maybe 36. Anyway, if this thing can power TV and they say a few hours, that's a nice plus. And I still got the iPad connector right now, charging. And yeah, if it had 2 AC plugs would be nice, but it's not that big of a station. It's more like an emergency power backup. So I mean, this thing is great for emergencies. We had all these hurricane storms, power going out. So if it can give you some source of power, at least charge all your devices, it's a nice tool to have. Price range, it's $200. It's not that cheap, but it seems to be standard for all these devices. And unfortunately, if you're trying to get a discount from like a dealer, there is no dealer discount on this product. It's $199, it's free shipping, and the regular buyer and a dealer cost is the same price. So don't expect to get any better deal than that right now. Supposedly they dropped it from $240 that had a discount to just $200 even now with no discount. Still awesome station. I think it's worth the money. I can't wait to put it to more use, take it camping and on the road and see how it holds up. But for now, I'm gonna watch some TV on my station. If you know what show that is, right? And that's it, guys. Let me just show you guys. I'm not kidding about the plug powering the TV. It really does do it. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Hope this is helpful. Hope this review, helps you decide if you want this or not. And check in for more reviews, more how-to videos. That's what my channel is about. Thanks for watching.